Hello, I'm back. I don't know, the first session ended badly. The network did not allow us to continue. So if you are still around, you rejoin. Members, please rejoin if you are still around. I'm back live. You can rejoin now. All our members who are in the first session, you can rejoin now. Let's continue from where we stopped and conclude the class. If you can't rejoin, do rejoin now. Yes, you can rejoin now. We had a glitch in the first session. It was not going fine. So we restarted this one. Can you rejoin now? Let's do it together. Sorry about that. It's network challenge. So can we rejoin now? You do well to rejoin now. Let's continue the class. Dr. Blind, where are you? Esther, can you rejoin? Rejoin now. Let's continue. You can join back now. Rejoin now. Let's continue from where we stopped. Oh, we have all gone. I'm back live. Who is rejoining now? If you are still available, Dr. Blahi, you can rejoin now. Let's continue from where we stopped. We had network issue. Esther, where are you? Can you rejoin now? You're a member of the channel. I'm waiting for you. Join the class now. Let's continue. We had the first session, but it didn't end well because of network. We have to restart now. So wherever you are, you're a member of the channel, do join now. Let's continue the class. Waiting for you. Waiting for you to join. Who is there? Do join back. Let's continue the class. Channel members, where are you? Come to class now. I'm waiting for you. Yes, join us now. Let's continue. Waiting for you to join. Yes, join. Let's continue the class. Where are the members of the channel? The Igbo tutor is live. Let's come to class now. Yes, I'm waiting for you. Do join the class. And I may check you. I'm waiting for you. Channel members. Yes, where are you? I'm waiting for you to join the class. Where are our channel members? If you're seeing me now and you want to be part of this live class, the first thing to do is to join our channel membership so you can gain access to this class. Do that now and let's learn Igbo language together. Yes, where are you? Who is joining the class? Who is coming on board? Oh, Dr. Blahi, you're back. Well done. Thank you for, hanging on. Can you hear me now? This network is messing someone up. Please, can you hear me? Confirm if you can hear me. Can you hear me? Dr. Blahi, confirm if you can hear me so that we can move on. Just confirm you can hear me so we'll move on. All right, good. So we've just talked about the reason why you love Nigeria. Okay. I asked Gini Meriji Hoyananya, why do you love her? So I was saying you should write I ahụrụ m ya n'anya maka na. You now write the reason. Ahụrụ m ya n'anya maka na. So reason. So what did I say? Ahụrụ m ya n'anya maka na. Ahụrụ m ya n'anya maka na. Let's say maka na ọ bụ obodo mara mma. Ahụrụ m ya n'anya maka na ọ bụ obodo mara mma. Try that. Let me see how much you can break that down. Ahụrụ m ya n'anya maka na ọ bụ obodo mara mma. Let's see how you can try that. Yes, give it a try. Ahụrụ m ya n'anya maka na ọ bụ obodo mara mma. Waiting for you to try that out. Ahụrụ m ya n'anya maka na ọ bụ obodo mara mma. Give it a try out. Ahụrụ m ya n'anya maka na ọ bụ obodo mara mma. Are you trying that? Or you have no idea? Waiting for you. You have no idea, or you are trying, you are working on it. Yes, I'm waiting for you. If you don't know, you say, am I? Then I can write. I can translate it myself. Are you there? The network is also delaying. Okay, that's good effort. I love my country because she is good. Okay. What I said, let me write it in Igbo. Ahụrụ m ya n'anya. At least you try, you're able to get because. That's a good effort. That is makana, because. You got it very well. Ọ bụ obodo mara mma. This is what I said. Ahụrụ m ya n'anya. What is going on here? I can't see what I posted. What is holding it? Error, try again. Okay, it says error. Ahụrụ m ya n'anya maka na ọ bụ obodo mara mma. Okay, ahụrụ m ya n'anya maka na ọ bụ obodo mara mma. This is what I said. So the interpretation is, I love her. Okay, because I didn't put the country there. I just put ya, which is her. But it's still referring to the country. I love her because it's a beautiful, marama, beautiful country. Okay. I love her because it's a beautiful country. Ahụrụ m ya n'anya maka na ọ bụ obodo mara mma. I love her because it's a beautiful country. Did you see what I've written, Dr. Blahi? Did you see the correction? Confirm if you get me clearly. I've written the Igbo version and the English version too. Did you get that clearly? Make your correction. Next sentence now is, yeah, I love her because she is a beautiful country. Yeah. Next sentence now is, Chineke gọziri Nigeria nke ukwuu. Chineke gọziri Nigeria nke ukwuu. Chineke gọziri Nigeria nke ukwuu. Let's go. Translate what I've said. Chineke gọziri Nigeria nke ukwuu. Go ahead and translate what I've said. Chineke gọziri Nigeria nke ukwuu. Chineke gọziri Nigeria nke ukwuu. Yes, try that. Chineke gọziri Nigeria nke ukwuu. Chineke gọziri Nigeria nke ukwuu. Yes, go ahead and try that. Chineke gọziri Nigeria nke ukwuu. Chineke gọziri Nigeria nke ukwuu. Yes, doctor, I'm waiting for you. Try that. Chineke gọziri Nigeria nke ukwuu. Waiting for you. Chineke gọziri Nigeria nke ukwuu. Doctor, are you there? Our network is holding you back. Waiting for your response. Chineke gọziri Nigeria nke ukwuu. Okay, God help Nigeria with what? With strength. Okay. Okay, you tried. Let me write what I've said in Igbo. Chineke gọziri Nigeria nke ukwuu. Now that I type it in Igbo, can you guess what I said? Now that it is written down, can you guess better what it is, Dr. Blind? Maybe the spoken one is difficult a little bit. Can you attempt it now that it's written? Chineke gọziri Nigeria nke ukwuu. Try it now that it is written. This means God blessed Nigeria greatly. God blessed Nigeria okay. Yes. Greatly. Okay, I saw your response. God blessed Nigeria greatly, in a big way. It's gone. O nyere anyị ezigbo ala. Yeah, there is time lag, I know. O nyere anyị ezigbo ala. That is the next sentence, please. O nyere anyị ezigbo ala. O nyere anyị ezigbo ala. talking about what God had done for Nigeria, the first thing I'm saying is, O nyere anyị ezigbo ala. What did I say? O nyere anyị ezigbo ala. Okay. Yes, I've just said the first thing that God did for us, how he blessed us. And I said, O nyere anyị ezigbo ala. What did I say? O nyere anyị ezigbo ala. What does that mean? O nyere anyị ezigbo ala. Talking about what God has done for us. I've just said one of the things he did, how he blessed Nigeria. And I said, O nyere anyị ezigbo ala. What does that mean? If you're in the class, indicate you're in the class, drop your chat, drop your greeting. That way we can pick your name and welcome you officially, marking your register. O nyere anyị ezigbo ala. That is the next sentence we are interpreting. So translate what I've just said now. O nyere anyị ezigbo ala. Waiting for your response to that. If you've joined the class, drop your greetings. Translate what I've just said into English. Write it in the chat. Or drop your greetings so that we can welcome you to the class. Okay. God gave us with resources mineral. Okay, good effort. What I said is, O nyere anyị ezigbo ala. I didn't even mention God. I use a pronoun. So I expect you to use pronoun also. O nyere anyị ezigbo ala. Use pronoun too. But nyere anyị is gave us, which is correct. Then ezigbo ala, what is that? And what is O? O nyere anyị ezigbo ala. If you are in the class, drop your greetings, respond to what I've just said so that we can also return greetings to you. Welcome you to the class. If you are trying to join this class and you are not a member of the channel, the first thing to do is to join our channel membership. That is the way to participate in our live classes. Okay, am I still expecting any response from anybody? I don't know, because I don't know. Those who are in the class, they've not greeted or they've not dropped any comments, so I can't really pick their name to talk to them. But let me write what I just said in Igbo, that you tried. I use the pronoun O, that is O nyere anyị ezigbo ala. What does this mean? O here is a pronoun meaning he, referring to God. He gave us. Doctor, you got that well. Ezigbo ala. Ala is land. Ezigbo is good. Okay. So he gave us good land. Okay. That is O nyere anyị ezigbo ala. He gave us good land. Next sentence. Anyị, okay. Yeah, good. Okay, it's like my answer. You are getting it better when I write it. You are not getting the you're not translating my voice well. You're getting it better when I write. I guess as much. But what I'm trying to do is to also make you be able to, pick words that are spoken, not just written, and give it the right interpretation. Okay, let's go on. What you are trying, not vast, but good. Ezigbo ala. Okay, okay. Anyị nwere gịnị? Okay, let me put it this way. Anwụ na-acha n'oge ya n'obodo anyị. Anwụ na-acha n'oge ya n'obodo anyị. Anwụ, but this seems to be very complicated. Let me make it a little bit easier. Anwụ dị n'obodo anyị. Anwụ dị n'obodo anyị. Or ezigbo anwụ dị n'obodo anyị. If you want to join this live class, please first join our channel membership. That is what qualifies you to join this class. Ezigbo anwụ dị n'obodo anyị. Yes. Ezigbo anwụ dị n'obodo anyị. Let's go. Ezigbo anwụ dị n'obodo anyị. What did I say? Ezigbo anwụ dị n'obodo anyị. Ezigbo anwụ dị n'obodo anyị. That's the next sentence. Ezigbo anwụ dị n'obodo anyị. Ezigbo anwụ dị n'obodo anyị. I believe that is clear enough. Ezigbo anwụ dị n'obodo anyị. Let me know whether you know what is the meaning of anwụ. Ezigbo anwụ dị n'obodo anyị. Ezigbo anwụ dị n'obodo anyị. Ezigbo anwụ dị n'obodo anyị. Translate what I've said into English and write it in the chat. Ezigbo anwụ dị n'obodo anyị. Okay, doctor has written, good thing, what did you write? Think care. Good things are in our country. That's good effort. Good effort. Let me write what I've just said in Igbo because of those who are writing notes. The here should have dot under the I, but my keyboard is not giving me that. Dinobodo. Ani also have dot under the I. Ezigbo anwụ dị n'obodo anyị. This is what I've just said, which means there is good sunshine. Okay, and with sunshine in our land. Okay, or in our country. Either of the two is correct. Either you use country, okay, either you use country or land, all is the same. So there is good sunshine in our country. So angu is sunshine. Angu is sunshine. So ezigbo angu is good sunshine. The n'obodo anyị is in our land, is in our land. Okay. Oh, Clement Emehe. Wow. Why so late? Why so late? We are even doing extra time before you came in. So late. What happened? Mr. Mehe, why are you coming when class is over? Ogini Mere. Maazi Emehe, you are early bird to class. Why are you, last week you didn't come to class. Today you are coming when class is already, in fact, this is the second session. We began the first one, we had network issues. We stopped and restarted this one. And we're almost, I wanted to give another 40 minutes here, and it's almost 40 minutes. Maazi Emehe, Ogini Mere, why are you coming so late? Ogini Mere. Because I'm about to give the last sentence for today. Okay. Another sentence today, which is the last one, is Anyị nwere mmiri ozuzo. Though I came to listen to the video only, I am surprised that you are here. Because the time is already past. Yes, that's all right. So I'm giving the last sentence now. Mmiri ozuzo dịkwa ebe a. Mmiri ozuzo dịkwa ebe a. Mmiri ozuzo dịkwa ebe a. This is the last sentence for today. Mmiri ozuzo dịkwa ebe a. Who will try that for us? Mmiri ozuzo dịkwa ebe a. Gịnị bụ mmiri ozuzo? Mmiri ozuzo dịkwa ebe a. Who will try that? Mmiri ozuzo dịkwa ebe a. Mmiri ozuzo dịkwa ebe a. You know we are talking about weather now. Different aspects of weather is what we are talking about. So can you give it a try? Get it, mmiri ozuzo. Mmiri ozuzo. Okay. Yeah, Mr. Mehe, that's great. That's great. Dr. Blind, what do you say to that? Mmiri ozuzo dịkwa ebe a. Mmiri ozuzo dịkwa ebe a. Dr. Blind, any opinion on that? As we round up now. Dr. Blind said plenty of rainfall here. Okay. I think Clement Emehe got the answer correctly, perfectly well. Mmiri ozuzo dịkwa ebe a. That is what I said. And Emehe got it right. And that is, there is rainfall here also. Or rainfall is here also, which is the way Emehe wrote it. Rainfall is also here. That is also correct. Rainfall is also here, or there is rainfall here also, whichever way he wrote it himself and the way I wrote it, both of them are correct. Rainfall is here also. There is rainfall here also. Dekwa is also available. All right. I must thank Dr. Blahi especially for today's class. You made this class possible today. You came in first in the first session early enough, and then somebody else joined. We continue with that. Before we had network issue, we restarted. You still return back again. I give kudos to you, Dr. Blahi. You made this class today possible. I appreciate you so much. I also thank Emehe and the rest of the guys. If you didn't come to class, we won't be able to teach. We will not record. People that want to watch later, like Emehe that wanted to rewatch the class, wouldn't see anything to watch if nobody come to class. So Emehe, I plead with you and everybody, let's come to class at a scheduled time. You've always done that before. Please try to do that again. Because if I come to class and I spend 20 minutes waiting for somebody to come to class, that is discouraging. And then if I close the class and assume that nobody wants to come to class, there won't be any class, there won't be any recording for people to rewatch after. So please, let's try to make the sacrifice, come to class at the scheduled time, let's have the class. You can rewatch, other people can also rewatch, but when nobody comes to class, there will be no class. So please, it's not very, very encouraging to keep me waiting for 10 minutes, 20 minutes, and no one is in sight. And then even those who want to rewatch the video, we also quit after waiting for 10, 15, 20 minutes, and there's nothing happening. They will also go because nobody wants to waste his or her time. So the earlier we start the class, the better for all of us. So please, I plead once again, let's keep to our time. Let's try and keep to our time. You know, I'll be here at the exact time, so try to be here so we have our class. Thank you very much for coming. Chukwu gozie gị. Ka ọ dị izu ụka ọzọ. See you next week. Ka emesịa.